Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're gonna be asking the question, do bug removers actually work? Let's jump into it. All right, so I've realized that we haven't made many videos on bug removal when it comes to using a dedicated chemical bug remover, and I thought I would change that today and answer the question of whether or not these things actually work in comparison to using a normal APC. So what I have here is a bucket with a little bit of soapy water. I have my Ultra Clay scrubber in here. I have Koch Chemie Green Star. I have PNS Bug Off, and I have G-Technics bug remover. And so we're gonna be testing these three on this absolutely hammered Toyota Tacoma. Now, for reference, I don't use a whole lot of bug removers in my normal detailing routine, mainly because all of my vehicles are ceramic coated and bugs tend to ski off the front. However, in many cases and in many detail shops, vehicles like this will show up and are expected to be cleaned to perfection. And yeah, let's see if we can find out a way to make this faster, easier, and test out a few chemicals to see which works best and whether or not they're absolutely necessary. So what we're gonna do first is rinse off the front of this Tacoma with just a pressure washer, just to show you guys that these bugs are not coming off with water alone. After that, we're gonna be laying down these three different chemicals, letting them sit, dwell, rinse one more time, see if it made a big difference or not. Then we'll come back through with the Ultra Clay scrubber and I'll talk about my opinion on what feels the best on the removal of the rest of the bug guts. So I think it's enough talking. Let's get to rinsing. Yeah, it's not working, so let's grab some chemicals. All right, so in our left corner here, we have PNS Bug Off. I'm gonna spray this over here on this side. I'm gonna throw some Green Star in the middle, and then the G-Technic Bug Remover over here on the right-hand side. So, process is pretty simple. You can dilute this if needed. So if you don't have, let's just say a lot of bugs, or maybe your vehicle's protected and you don't wanna have to throw heavy chemicals on it, dilute it. Do as you wish, right? You can also foam this as well, which is pretty cool. But in this case, we're gonna make this simple. Start spraying the front of the vehicle. And I'll stop to about right there. Get the grill up top, couple more sprays. And what's pretty crazy is almost immediately, I can see that it's begun emulsifying this stuff. It's kind of gross, right? You can see a lot of colors coming out of these bugs that you wouldn't normally see. So I'm gonna call that good, set that down, grab my Green Star. This is Green Star diluted 5:1 for exterior use. This is just a normal APC, a little bit higher alkaline. It's got great cleaning abilities and we'll use it to pre-treat so many different things. But in today's case, we're gonna test it up against some dedicated bug removers. Spray that down and we'll probably say, about right there is good. All right, last up here. Taste it. I can taste it. We have bug remover, W8 from G-Technic. Same concept here, right side. Laying this down. Ooh, I will admit, this is doing something very similar to the PNS side over there. Again, kind of instantaneously melting stuff off. Get that up top there on the grill. Now, you don't want to do this in direct sunlight, so say as we do as we say, not as we do, something like that, right? So the sun's coming out, it's gonna be 100 degrees today. We're trying to get this done and then get this thing back in the studio. So Nick, if we wanna come in and get some of this delicious B-roll of showing you what this looks like once the bug removers hit them, we gotta get to rinsing after. Now, believe it or not, while there are still some bugs on here, these have probably been on here for, who knows, maybe a year. That made a significant difference. I'm talking these weren't budging at all whatsoever, and I can tell that that softened them up significantly to where I can literally take my hand here and start rubbing them off. So what we're gonna do from here, I'm going to just take a bug scrubber with a little bit of soap and water and remove everything. And this should be softened up enough to where this should come off pretty dang easily. So let me show you. So somebody in the audience just said that this hasn't been washed in 4 years, and I believe it. So taking our Ultra Clay scrubber here, just soap and water. That's all it is. I think we have wide open wash from P&S Off-Road in here. pH balanced, and we are going to, yeah, dude, that is taking that right off. Just soap and water, so we don't have to introduce any more chemical. We don't have to touch the chemical. We can just use soap and water and scrub off the rest. I don't have to flip it to the clay slide. It's coming off just with the Jersey bug scrubbing material. So this is the G-Technic side. That's just melting off. Everything feels really soft. No issues. Take our soapy water. We're gonna go over to the P&S side over here. Oh, same thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's just obliterating these bugs. Green star in the middle. Same effect. I mean, it's doing it. I'm scrubbing way more here on this green star section than I was here on these bug remover sections. So P&S, G-Technic, that all cleaned up really, really well. And so a little look at my bug scrubber here. Check this out. People wonder why that Jersey material works so well. It's because of all those perforations being able to just cut into all those guts and clean everything out. And so dip this in here, give it a few squeezes. It's a ton better. So you don't have to use the clay side if you don't want to for this process, but if you need a little bit more scrubbing power, you absolutely can. All right guys, so I just got done rinsing everything off, and color me impressed. These bug removers work so freaking well, it's insane. Now, Green Star, it's an amazing APC. It's great for just about everything from interior to exterior use. It can be diluted so many different ways, but it's not a dedicated bug remover. I don't think you can go wrong with either P&S or G-Technic's bug removers. They're both amazing. I would say just buy one, try it, see how you like it, and use it often. So as always, if you guys enjoy these short kind of videos where you get to learn a lot in a little bit of time, then please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay cool out there. See ya.